Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website burmesecatworld.com. I'm on a homepage, and I really love that your above default is optimized for the conversion rate. I recommend optimizing the hero image slightly further. You can show one of your products here instead. It would be much better for your conversion rate and for your sales because people will be able to see what you are selling right away. Because when they land on the website and you only show a picture of a cat, it's difficult for them to guess what kind of products you are offering apart from the fact that it's cat related. But if you showed one of your products like a cat bed or cat accessory, it would be much easier for people to connect and build a rapport, and obviously optimize the tagline to specify what you are selling, such as shop cat accessories, and add call to action, shop now, link into the collection or product page. The featured collections look great. Consider optimizing the title for SEO a little bit further. So instead of collection list, you can add titles such as shop, cat, fashion accessories, much better for SEO when it's optimized this way. And make sure to add more content to the home page, such as featured products, maybe video, slideshow, more items, something that will keep people entertained and engaged and browsing your website for longer. The About Us page looks really good. You talk about your personal story, what inspired you to start this business, which is perfect because people can relate to that. It will build your rapport and it will translate into sales, which is ideal. Remember to optimize this content for the SEO as well. So add hashtags, add internal links, add more frequent paragraph breaks, and make this content not like a block of text, but make it skimmable, make it more user friendly, and add few images here to add this kind of interest. You can add a photo of yourself and of your team as well. The footer has got those two elements that are empty, so if you're not blogging, remember to remove this latest news section. And if you've got social media, remember to add them here under follow us title. The collection page looks excellent. The product titles are SEO friendly, but you could optimize some of them further. For example, this is beautiful item, but the title doesn't really reflect what the product is, so you can add more details here, such as navy blue cut coat with a check print, which gives Google a little bit more details as to which results to show you in, and it will help you bring traffic most likely to convert, most likely to buy this kind of item. I hope you liked this audit. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you would like to learn how to fix any of the issues mentioned in the audit, how to improve your conversion rate, how to get more traffic and convert more visitors into paying customers, please book a free chat. This 15-minute non-obligation chat with a Shopify expert is available for everyone who booked the audit. So don't miss this opportunity. Ask the Shopify expert any questions you might have about optimization of your online business. Book the chat now. The link is in the email. Thank you so much for your time. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular SEO and e-commerce tips. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.